There was once a small, prosperous island in the middle of a vast ocean. The people of the island thrived by trading goods and services using a unique system. Their wealth was recorded on massive stone tablets carved with intricate symbols, known as the ledgers of trust. For generations the system worked. The ledgers sat in the town square, guarded by the council of elders, who ensured every transaction was fair. But one day, a violent storm swept through the island, leaving devastation in its wake. When the storm cleared, the townspeople rushed to the square, only to find the ledgers shattered, their symbols washed away. Panic ensued. With no record of who owned what, trust crumbled. Trade stopped. The islanders realized their wealth had been nothing more than marks on stone, easily destroyed, easily lost. Among the chaos, a traveler arrived, carrying something unusual, a small device glowing faintly in the dim light. "What is that?" the islanders asked. "This," said the traveler, "is a new kind of ledger. It isn't carved in stone, it isn't stored in one place, and it can't be destroyed by storms." "How is that possible?" they demanded. The traveler smiled. "This ledger is called Bitcoin. It exists everywhere and nowhere at the same time. It's written in code, and no storm, council, or thief can erase it. It belongs not to a place, but to everyone who uses it." Skeptical, but desperate, the islanders began to learn. They discovered that Bitcoin's ledger, a blockchain, was distributed across thousands of places, making it indestructible. Every transaction was permanent, unchangeable, and visible to all who used it. Slowly, trust returned to the island. They no longer relied on elders or fragile stone tablets. Their wealth wasn't tied to a place or a system that could vanish. Instead, it was secured by the unbreakable chain of the network. Years later, when another storm struck, the island stood resilient. The physical world could be shaken, but their new system, the blockchain, remained unbroken. The island is the system we've always trusted. The storm is the uncertainty of the world. Bitcoin is the unbreakable ledger. The question is, will you trust the old ways, or will you embrace the future?